Well, secret agent, it looks like you're in a hairy pickle.
There's got to be a better way to groom your groin.
To be a top secret man of mystery, you have to be smooth. Where it counts. That's why we've developed Manscaped's new Lawn Mower 4.0, our smartest, most advanced grooming device. The Lawn Mower 4.0 is equipped with spectacular SkinSafe technology, which helps reduce the risk of nicks and cuts, so it's gentle enough for your delicates. Trusting these outdated methods to groom your groin, it might work, but ow! And stop using a beard trimmer.
You gotta have the right tools for the job.
And with its 7,000 RPM motor, it's powerful enough to get through even the thickest bush. The Lawn Mower 4.0 is waterproof for your slipperiest missions. And with travel lock technology, say goodbye to bad vibrations. The Lawn Mower 4.0 features a high-powered 4000K LED spotlight, quiet stroke technology to keep your stealth shaving sessions a mystery, and our wireless charging system, so you'll always be smooth.
Where it counts.
Shaven, not furred.
Click the link and make sure your agents are smooth before they go undercover. Because you never know when you'll find yourself in a hairy situation.
Security breach. Security breach.
Generic evil villain? This isn't a cat, but there are hairballs.
It is never too late to make the switch to Manscaped, the most trusted name in down there hair care.
I know all about Manscaped, but I'm too afraid to get started.
Don't be. Manscaped is used by over 2 million men across the globe. From spies like us to men like you.
Way to keep your double O's shaven.
There is, however, one side effect of Manscaped.
When you trim the hedges, the tree stands taller.
If you're ready to shave the world and your balls, go to manscaped.com today. And if you want to have it all, try our Performance Package 4.0, the all-in-one grooming kit. You'll get Manscaped's Crop Preserver Anti-Chafing Ball Deodorant, Crop Reviver Ball Toner, and the Weed Whacker Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer. Plus, extras like anti-chafing microfiber Manscaped boxers and the free shed travel bag.
Finally, a sack I can be proud of.
And of course, free shipping. Right to your home, headquarters, or evil lair. Click the link, blow your cover, and stay smooth. Where it counts. With the Lawn Mower 4.0 and all these top-notch, top-crotch products from Manscaped. Equip yourself with the Performance Package 4.0 before you go undercover at manscaped.com.